everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be kind of reviewing but also showing you how I use my Modelones Polygel nail extension kit. But yeah, I'll just be giving you my honest review. The link is in the description if you want to have a look at them. And for the nail polish that I'm using, I am using a gifted product by Madame Glam, which I also have a discount code for in the description, so be sure to check them out. They're really, really nice. But yeah, as I say, I'm not a professional. This is just how I do my nails at home. Okay, so let me just quickly, while I'm organising everything into a space, show you what you need. So the set that I use is called Modelones, and I basically got all of this in one set. I have had this for a while, unfortunately, so I don't have the box anymore to like show you how it all came and exactly what came with what, but pretty much everything that you can see came together, apart from possibly some of the nail files. So I think this was already mine, and this is obviously new, and this is also new. I tried to buy a replacement for this colour, which Apricot 006 is the best colour ever for nails. It literally just looks like, for my skin tone anyway, it literally just looks like you have no nail polish on. It's perfect if you want to give yourself like a white tip or do anything fun that kind of has like that real nail colour exposed. 006 Apricot, if your skin tone is anything like mine, will definitely be a good one. It's not too pink. I can't stand it when it's too pink. But yeah, these are what the polygels look like. They come in these kind of pots and you just squeeze them out. I think today I'm just going to go and use clear, because as I say, like, I just don't like that one, and I don't think I've got enough in here for a full set. I'll see, I'm not sure. So yeah, those are the colours that you get in the set, and then along with it, it comes with this UV lamp. So this isn't the most high quality UV lamp ever, as you can see. Like, it's nice to have one of those ones that's like an actual self-standing thing that you just put your hand in. This just kind of clips closed. It's a little bit floppy and wobbly, but it does the job. For the price, it's really good, but this is what comes in the set anyway. Then the set also comes with all of these like nail, I don't know what you'd call these, kind of like stencils, and this is where you actually paint the polygel into, and then you like press it on your finger, and that's how it works. So I need to figure out which sizes are going to work for me. I actually don't have a lot left and I can't remember which colours I usually like, so hopefully I've got enough. If not, I do just have like a set of regular fake nails, which will do the same thing. They're just going to be a little bit harder to paint into because they won't be as big. So where your fake nail is kind of like the shape of an actual nail, you don't really have any room to hold it, whereas these ones are much longer, and so you've got just like a bit more flexibility basically about how long you want the nail to be. It might just be that I'm going to have to use these little ones anyway, which is fine. Does the same thing. Then it will also come with this, which is slip solution, I believe it's called. And basically what you do is you just dip this little brush that comes with it into the slip solution before you start trying to like paint around your polygel, and it just means that it kind of just gives it like a little bit of a protective coating where you can really just paint onto it and you don't have to worry about the polygel getting all sticky and slippery. I have run out of this. I spilt it, which is annoying, so I've ordered some more on Amazon. I haven't tried it. It's all the same stuff. Like, it's not, this is like not very important basically, but this has come with its own little brush. I'll tag this as well just in case anyone has also just run out of purely their slip solution. So that's that. And then it also comes with a little base coat which you have to put on before you start doing your polygel nails. And then in terms of like equipment and stuff that you'll need, as I say, it comes with this. This is what you're actually going to use to paint the polygel onto the fake nail before you put it onto your finger, and then kind of like, this is a pretty important tool. Just going to rearrange this. Yeah, this is like a pretty important tool. And then it also comes with these two tools here for your cuticles, and these two also come in handy a lot in like the prep of your nails. So that's everything that comes with it. And then it comes with these nail files, which I just didn't think were like very good. Like, they're just very gentle, and I just felt like I needed some harsher ones. I can't remember if this one came with it or not. It might have come with it, to be honest. I don't remember. I can't remember, but I bought this one separately. Just take that out of the packet. Then I'm just going to move everything to one side that I'm not actually using. And then it comes with this little brush, and to be honest, I don't really use it very often. Now I'm just going to be figuring out which finger fits me best. Okay, and so this is going to be the slip solution that I'm using today. And then this is pretty much the shape that I'm going for as well. Kind of like not too round, but not too coffin. Just like in the middle. And pretty much probably that shape-ish as well, maybe slightly shorter. Because I have such short nails, I don't really like nails being much longer than that. Cool, so then I'll just start. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start just really gently pushing my cuticles back just to make the surface area of my nail bigger. Okay, and then next, using here, I'm just going to go around and remove any of the cuticle that needs to be removed, basically. So you want to be careful with this because it is quite sharp. But then you can just go in and literally just take off any of that dead skin from your nails. Also, this really shouldn't hurt at all. If it hurts, it means you're removing more than just the dead skin, which you obviously don't want to be doing. Like, it shouldn't feel sore or tender in any way. Then once you've done that, I'm just going to go over and kind of lightly start to file down my fingernails, just so that I'm working with like a rough base, which is going to help the nails stick on a little bit better and last a little bit longer. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with my base coat now. And actually we'll use this just to get off any of the like dead nail skin cells. Oh my god. Ugh. And I'm just going to go with my base coat. And then I'm just going to put that in here to develop. I'm actually going to be getting this t-shirt and putting it over my UV lamp when I put my hand in it, just because then it's a bit more enclosed and I feel like you'll benefit from the lamp a little bit more. I just feel like it's a bit of a waste to have it all open like that. So that's what I'm going to do. So then I'm just going to use this tool here I'm going to use this sharp end to kind of scratch off the polygel that I need, and then I'll put it into the little... Alright, so I've had a bit of a change of heart and I'm going to use this as my stencil pinky as well, just so that they're all exactly the same shape. So then I'll just take some of my polygel, and it's a fine balance between it being too thick and too thin, but you do want to have like a considerable amount of polygel on your nail. That might have been too much. I think it's okay. I'll just place that over my pinky. Apply kind of a medium amount of pressure. You don't want too much pressure, but also you don't want it to have any air gaps in it. And then just pop that in. Okay, and then take that off. And this is what we're left with. Yeah, so that's our first nail done. And then just continue doing the same thing the whole way across. So now onto the next nail. As I said, it is like a fine line between your nail being too thick and being too thin, but generally it's better to have it too thick. If you have it too thin, it's just going to be like really floppy, and like it won't properly harden because it would just not be strong enough to go hard. and then you'll have like a really like very, very see-through floppy nail, and you basically just have to start again. The best thing is to possibly have a tiny bit too much, and then like you can always easily file it down if it is too thick. So just like last time, I'm just gonna literally just place it on top there like that. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how I shape my nails. So I'm really pretty happy with the shape because I use the like exact shape of these things. So I'm really just going to go around and like tidy them all up. And they're a little bit too long for me at the moment, like I couldn't survive with nails this long. Actually, I think they're a lot too long. Yeah, it's fine. And then once I've got the height, I'll just go in again to give myself that shape that I like. Okay, so then these are the nails so far. Oops. And then I'm just going to do exactly the same thing to the other hand, and I'll be back when it's time to paint my nails. Okay, and now it's time to paint the nails. So I'm going to be using this nail set by Madam Glam, and I do have a 30% off discount code, Rachel McEwen 30, which is in my description, or you can just click the link and the 30% off will be applied for you automatically at checkout. So just click the link in the description if you want to have a look at them, and just make sure if you do purchase anything with them, just to make sure that you select pay as you go at checkout, because otherwise it will sign you up to become a VIP member, and if you don't want to do that, just click pay as you go. So the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is I'm just going to paint a base coat over all of my fingers, and then cure them quickly. And then I'm just going to start to paint them. So what I think I want to do is paint my pinky a like bulk colour. I'm going to go with this kind of nude colour for that. Wow, that's actually such a nice colour. Actually, maybe I just want them... Yeah, no, actually, they're so nice. I'm just going to like alternate between these three colours on every finger. I feel like that's going to look really nice. Actually, I think I'm going to do a bit of a combination. My middle finger, I think I'm going to do something kind of fun. And then I'll do this on my index finger. Okay, and now this is what I have got. And then I think I'll do this nice nude colour on my nail again. And then I'm just going to quickly cure that without the t-shirt because I don't want to have any accidents. What I'm going to do on this middle finger is just going to give myself a French tip. And then now just a second coat of all my other colours. And then I'm going to go in with this darker colour now. Okay, so then that is my nail all done. And then I'll just go in with my Modelones nail oil. And then I'm just going to do the other hand. Oops. I think these are really cute. They're not too long, so like I'm not going to struggle to do things. And these usually last me like 2 weeks. I think they do usually last other people longer, but I am really bad with my nails and I like bite my fingers and I pick to like try and get the nail polish off and stuff like that. And also because I do bite my nails, my nail bed is already just really small, so there's not a lot for it to cling to. But I do highly recommend Polygel, and I'm a fan of these nail polishes now that I've used them. They're really nice too. I hope you found that helpful, and as I say, this is a part of a longer video. So if you're interested in seeing how I give myself a lash lift, laminate my eyebrows, dye my hair blonde and my fake tanning routine, then just head over to my channel to see the full video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!